Alright guys, what's up? It's Nacho Dad. I just finished working on the flatbed. Just want to do a little quick walk around video on it. So this is what it looks like now that it's finished. I've got the side rails finished on it. I've got the last coat of the homemade stain put on it. And then I built that headache rack up there today and stained all of it. So this is just a little preview of what the finished product's going to look like for it. I'm in this thing about $150 in materials. That's buying some of the wood you see, and then all the fasteners, all the screws, the deck screws, the carriage bolts, the big bolts, the lag bolts, everything else that I needed to put it all together. I didn't have to spend money on the 4x4s, or well, the 3x4s, like my side rails, and these are also what my frame's made out of. I got those free off of a pallet for a air conditioner, and they're treated like regular pallet boards, but they're not like pressure treated. So none of this is really treated. It's just treated with a blend of 50% diesel fuel and 50% used motor oil. And it's actually the oil that came out of this truck Friday. So just want to do a little quick update on it, and I've got the full build video in the works. So now that I'm done with the project, I should have that out in a few days. But I just want to do a little preview on it. It looks so good for what it is. I mean, realistically, you could build one of these and put it on your truck for probably 200 bucks, 250 bucks. Especially if you've got any salvage yards around, or if you're good at finding good deals on stuff. Craigslist is awesome. But alright, that wraps up this video. I'm gonna go put a chain on the mini bike and go rip it around for a little bit. We'll see y'all later.